This is the lockpicking newbie, and what I have for you today is a kind of an encore of Lock Lab University's LP103 course, which is the first introduction to single pin picking. And it introduces a lot of concepts like feeling where the pins are, how much tension to put on the core, mental mapping, understanding if you're oversetting the pins. So there's a lot to kind of graduate from the raking and the other techniques. What we have here is a master number 3. It's a 4-pin lock with plain pins. And using these techniques, we can kind of go in here, we can feel all 4 pins, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put about medium tension on, and I'm gonna see if you can hear this click. I'll try for 4. There's a click on 4. Come to 3 is binding now. Good, click on 3 and come into 2. And finally 1. And we're open. And that there is a like the easiest binding order in the world. But that's basically it as far as the introductory single pin picking is feel the pins, have the right tension, have some patience, and get those pins the way you feel it. Now, in some other videos, I also showed me trying to get into these master number 7s. Now, these are much smaller locks, but they are good for this initial single pin picking practice because they're also 4-pin locks, and they have all those same characteristics. It's just that they're a little harder to get into because the keyway is so small. So here we have a thin little wrench, pry bar in the bottom of the keyway, and in order to get that access to it, I just have to go to the bottom of the keyway, and then let's see if we can get some pins set. Okay. I'm going to start the back again like I did the last one. Here we go. Okay, I think I got 3. Something's going on back there. Let's check 2. Okay, well, we got to click out of 2, but I think it's definitely more challenging to feel the pins when it's so much smaller, but we're open. So these 2 locks, the number 3 and the number 7, and you can see I have a handful of them, are good for that single pin picking practice from LP 103. So I just wanted to follow up on that with you and just show that you can get through it with even this tiny keyway and with that master number 3. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. If you hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. And until next time, have a nice day.